Today's topic of the Vox Pop is oh hi, welcome to Pondi. Now I need some engaging people. So shy you are feeling. ஒரு young girl நம்மகிட்ட வந்து நிற்கிறாங்க அவங்களுடைய regret பற்றி something சொல்ல போகிறாங்க. Bro, do you have any regrets?
Yeah, made some wrong decisions in my life.
Like
Choosing a wrong course, choosing made me to.
very basic mistake you are making. Yes,
Yeah,
everybody making.
Life is totally different from what I thought.
So what you thought life will be how?
Thought I would be in somewhere in sports industry and like that. Yes.
Sports. Playing the sports or managing the sports?
Yeah, like I'm an athlete, track and field athlete.
Oh wow. Coming back to the topic.
Okay.
Regret. What if you can do something today to eliminate, remove that regret? What you can do?
Like, what are you saying?
You changed, you took some course.
Okay.
Now that course is obsolete.
Okay.
You think that everything regret. Now what you will do? What can you do?
Yeah, trying to change that wrong decisions.
What decision will you take to change the wrong decision?
Yeah, trying to do what I love.
So what do you love?
Being in the ground, being with athletes.
Playing.
Yeah, playing or
And
coaching.
now
Yes.
okay, coaching. But now actually what you are doing?
I'm in pharmacy background,
Okay.
doing as a quality assurance.
So you go to a office.
Yeah.
Ayyo. You don't talk much, so I will take care of the talking. No, अभी काम चल रहा है, चलो जाओ. Hey, what do you do? Bro, this is what I do generally. You want to hold it? Sure. I love your shirt, bro, by the way. You only bought or somebody else bought?
I did for myself.
You did that.
Yeah.
Bro, all my heartfelt wishes are with you. But ultimately you have to take action.
Yeah. Already on.
No mother, no father, no brother, no friend can take action for you and me. ஹைதராபாத்லேருந்து ராகவேந்திரா நம்மகிட்ட வந்து நிற்கிறாரு அவருடைய முடிவு இன்னைக்கு சொல்லிட்டு போறாரு. What action you have to do immediately? You tell that action.
Starting again with this, what I love. That's all.
What is that? Loving means I love the tree also. I love
Yeah,
to
like being
run also.
Being in the ground, like training with the athletes.
So what is that work called?
No, I'm currently doing a course called strength and conditioning. Yeah, I'm maybe 1 or 2 years.
So let us give it deadline. By next year, same date,
Yes.
1st of June 2026,
Yeah.
Raghavendra will be teaching fitness.
Yeah, of course.
Today you take the course. In 1 year's time, you start teaching the course.
Yeah. It's already on the process. Yeah. Maybe it will be next year. It will be done.
Brilliant. Awesome. Thank you for giving me 2 minutes of your time. And I wish you best. You have seen the channel?
Hope you will be famous.
Let's not hope that. Let us pray that.
Yes.
Hoping is the very easy.
Yes.
Praying is difficult. Let us take this time to pray that one day both Raghavendra and Goodman Pondi are able to teach more and more people.
Yeah, of course.
Isn't it?
Yes.
Hello guys, welcome to Pondi. Would you like to engage with me for a few moments? Unapologetically. You know, it's better to ignore than to engage. All the senses that are inside of us, first reaction is to why we'll look at it later. Only when the compulsion arises is when we take notice. So why we are waiting for that long? Let us take notice today and convert one of our dreams into AI avatars. I am doing it for you. All you have to do is just hit me a message on an application called Instagram. Where you're going to find me and the procedures also. Right? Now today we have one interesting young man who is going to tell us about his little dreams. What do you want to become? Simple things everybody asking. You tell me and tell them what you want to become. Future. So shy you are feeling.
My sister.
Sister will tell. Now let us open ourselves without shyness. Allowed, not allowed.
Doctor. He want to become a doctor.
You want to become doctor? Okay. So today let us tell. I want to become doctor.
I am into doctor. I want to become a doctor.
Sir, Telugu sollala. Why English only?
No, we are Malayalis.
Malayalis? Then do it pare in Malayalam.
എനിക്ക് ഡോക്ടർ ആവാൻ ഇഷ്ടം.
Ayana ishtam. For me also same ishtam. For you. Okay? I wish you best. Beautiful smile you got, bro.
Thank you.
Give me a few moments of your time and your smile. So today I have various subjects which have been missed out in that entire week. I have the freedom to ask you any question.
Okay.
But I will give you the leverage. I will ask you the question you want me to ask you.
I'm okay with anything. You can go with anything. That's fine.
See, then I will also ask you to say anything. Today we are talking about regrets.
Regrets.
You know, small little things that we miss out on the way. We know
Okay.
that we have left them uncompleted.
Yeah. Yes. I do have some. So I wanted to take up sports after my graduation, but I couldn't. But then, it's a social norm. You just have to take something. You have to go with engineering or get a degree, get a job. So
The old cliche script of any middle class Indian boy,
exactly.
I would say.
Exactly.
Isn't
Yeah.
it?
Yeah.
बहुत नाइंसाफी हो गया है बताया ही नहीं आपने
That is true.
अभी इंटरनेट आने से पता चल रहा है
सही है।
देखिए
Alright. How are you here now?
some aspirations that some great souls took
Uh-huh.
few years or many years ago
Uh-huh.
that led to my arrival in this land.
Awesome. So how do you like Pondi?
I love it, which is why this is my effort to give back to it
Nice.
in terms
That's
of
good.
street stories.
That's great.
This is loose fit pant.
Loose fit pant,
Yeah.
but not baggy, no?
Not baggy. Not that much baggy.
Little bit less than.
Yeah, yeah.
So let us get back to you, because
Sure.
it's not so much about me,
Okay.
isn't it?
Yeah.
Your good name?
My name is Harsh.
Harsh. Harsh, what is it that you're doing now?
I work in IT.
Married,
Yes.
children,
No, not yet.
not yet. Planning,
I would say yes.
yes and no. सब वहीं पे आके रुक जाता है क्या करेगा
It's a big responsibility. So
रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी भी आजकल ऐसा हो गया है फ्री में नहीं ले सकता
free में रह सकते हैं.
जो फ्री का रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है ना उसका वेट ही नहीं होता
सही है. I agree.
सो यू आर इन IT, व्हाट इज इट दैट यू कैन डू
I try to give myself some time every week to do something I love, especially sports. So either table tennis or badminton, cricket, football, like whatever it is. But yeah, I do give it some
Do you
thought, some time.
consider changing the profession?
Unfortunately, no.
Unfortunately, no.
Unfortunately, no, because like it's a cliche. It's a cliche for everyone who is from a middle class.
So that means you wish that it could be fortunately possible, but
True.
you have accepted that it is unfortunately not possible.
Correct. Yes, I would say yes.
Yeah, you're saying yes to everything. Almost everything.
Yeah.
What if we learn to say no? This is incorrect.
No. Yeah, that's definitely something.
I'm
practicing.
eager to meet your partner, bro. I'm eager to meet your wife.
She's there.
You have to call her.
Aish.
We are gathering your attention. Why you bringing her? Wait. First the initial people.
That's my niece.
Shy type.
Yeah.
Happens. I was also similarly shy.
Oh.
जी तो जी कैसे आए बिन आपके. Bro, I love your pants, bro.
Thank you.
Can you tell me which fashion it is?
This is loose fit pant.
Loose fit pant,
Yeah.
but not baggy, no?
Not baggy. Not that much baggy.
Little bit less than.
Yeah, yeah.
You want to talk to me more?
Oh yes.
Hold.
Okay.
Where you are from?
I'm from Kerala.
Kerala.
Yeah.
Today you are the third person from Kerala.
Oh really? In Pondicherry, a lot of people in Kerala.
You are from Pondi only?
Yeah, no. I mean, I studied in Pondicherry University.
Ayyo.
Kalapet.
Kalapet. Then you finished.
You finished in 2021. MBA tourism.
MBA tourism?
Yeah,
Arre,
yeah.
why? Really?
Okay.
Thank you for being in that industry from Kerala. If the
Okay.
Kerala people are not in tourism, then we will be very weak.
Okay.
Thank you. I wish you best.
Okay. Your name?
Goodman Pondi.
Goodman Pondi.
Yes.
Okay.
See, everybody will make faces. Only Kerala people will be the top.
Okay, really?
Yes. They live free.
Kerala people.
Yes. They trade with the world, but be only Malayali.
Okay.
That's why they are happy and able to talk.
You're
Anyway,
from Pondicherry, sir?
I am not Pondi, but by chance Pondi.
By chance, Pondi.
Oh wow! We also have some vlogging respondents coming to the promenade. This is the time and opportunity to engage with the highlight of Pondi. Goodman Pondi. Don't reject me. See, the bloggers itself rejecting the highlights. But what will happen? What will happen? How this world will go forward? How? You have to tell me in the comments how the world will go forward. Tell. They will go forward lifelessly. That is not called going forward. Actually, it's like going backward. I am looking for shy people. Din ta 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 din ta 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 din ta 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 din. Din ta 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 din ta 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 din ta 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 din din. Din ta 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 din ta 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 din ta 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 din. Din 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 ta ta din 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 ta ta din din din. Din ta ta din. Din ta 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 din ta 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 din ta 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 din. Din ta 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 din ta 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 din ta 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 din. Din din ta 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 din ta 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 din ta 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 din. Dhin ta ta dhin, dhin ta ta dhin, dhin ta ta dhin, dhin ta ta dhin. Did you like my performance? If yes, hit the like button. If no, hit the subscribe button.
ஆக்சுவலி என்னோட டிகிரி வந்து நான் டாக்டர் ஆகணும்னு நினச்சேன் பட் நீட் ரிப்பீட் பண்ணாமல் ஐ ஹேட் சூசன் இன்ஜினியரிங் ஸோ இப்போ வந்து அதுக்கு ரெக்ரெட் பண்ணுறேன்.
You are regretting.
Yeah.
So you finished the engineering?
Completed.
So now you're going for the job.
Yeah.
So you're satisfied with the job?
Yeah, I'm satisfied but not up to the level.
Not up to the level.
Yeah.
Because sitting in the office work will be always like that only.
Yeah.
No? So what is it that you can do today?
To explore the world, to overcome the regret I have.
So today, can we say you explored the world by meeting
Yeah,
me?
yeah.
We can say that, no?
Yeah.
So we can also tell to subscribe and like. Channel name is Goodman Pondy, and today's subject is about regrets.
Like, share and subscribe to Goodman Pondy.
And like you forgot.
Like, share and...
Like share you said.
Yeah.
Right, so this can be the time when we sign out from this minuscule effort of ours which is called Goodman Pondy. And what you can do meanwhile is just hit that like button and also shuffle up the comment box because I am eager to know what is your regret.
Like and share, subscribe.
Follow பண்ணுங்க.
Goodman Pondy.
குட்மேன் பாண்டிக்கு சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க, ஃபாலோ பண்ணுங்க, லைக் பண்ணுங்க.
Share பண்ணுங்க.
ஓகே,
Support பண்ணுங்க.